My name is Rich Edit. I'm a research consultant working with my word AI. I want to introduce to you a tool that can help you in your research, academic research work. It's called ChatGPT Prompt. This is an advanced developed application. It's actually is an application that is developed by our team, and it took us 1 year to develop this particular application. This application is over 70 pages prompt. So the prompt can assist you in writing your thesis, your dissertations, your researches, and other publications. Now this tool writes based on the global format and gives you in-text citations where necessary. So I'm going to take you through on how you can use this particular tool to write your research. Now, but before I go deeply into it, I would like you to like, comment, and subscribe, and equally share our channel in order to get more videos. So now let's proceed to knowing more about the application. So when you get your computer ready, all you have to do is to open your system. You go to your browser. After connecting it to the net, you type ChatGPT. You see I'm already on it. When you type ChatGPT, it will open. Then when it opens, where you seeing research writer, you right click, it will take you to this page. Then you now click on this start writing my research now. Then it will ask you to provide your research topic, your case study, your target population, your data collection methods, and all of this. So all you have to do, you will copy where I have mine saved already. So all I have to do is to copy it, then go back to the ChatGPT and paste it. And I enter. I'll wait for it to generate. So you see, it's now asking me, please confirm which section or chapter you would like us to begin with. So I'll now prompt it to begin with chapter 1.0. So I'll prompt it to start writing chapter 1.0. So you see it's going to give me chapter 1.0. So because it's writing based on the global format, so everything is written in accordance with the format. So you see, and after this chapter 1.0, it's now asking if it should proceed to chapter 1.1. So what I have to do is to prompt it next. So it will give me chapter 1.1, which is the background of the study. Perfect. So you see the index citation I was talking about. This one comes with the index citations. So all I have to do is to prompt it again. You see, it's giving me verified references also. So this particular advanced application, it's not as the regular one we've been using. So I'll just prompt it next, and it will write the next chapter like that till I get to my chapter 5. Then after doing this, I'll copy them to my software. I'll just copy them. So what you have to do, you just click on this. When you click on this, it's copied. You now open your file, open your software. So once your Microsoft Word is opened, all you have to do is to paste what you've copied, then do few editing, and after that you are going to humanize, but humanizing will be in another video. I'll show you humanizing in another video. That is why you have to subscribe to our channel so that you get more of our videos. Once you subscribe, you'll be able to see the humanization video. So you see how you can verify the references. So now I'm pasting what I copied. So when you paste, you just do few editing. Okay, like things like this, you're going to erase them or delete them. You check the things that you should delete. So you see, we have try and avoid that delay in writing our research. Chapter 1.0, the introductory part, is ready. So it's from this point that you will copy again and do your humanization, but I will show you that one in another video. So click on the link below and like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and you will get to know and see more videos of our product.